Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. A lot of people quickly look at this and do 6 minus 4 equals 2, and then say 2 times 6 minus 4 equals 2, and then 2 times 2 equals 4. But this answer is not correct. And the reason is because of the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS, which stand for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. This rule tells us the correct sequence we must follow when solving any mathematical expression. First, we solve anything inside parentheses. For example, if we have 3 plus 1 inside brackets, we solve that first to get 4. Next, we handle exponents, such as 2 squared, which equals 4. Then we move to multiplication and division. And it is very important to remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, so we solve them from left to right. We handle addition and subtraction, which also have equal priority and must be done from left to right. For example, 10 minus 3 plus 2 becomes 7 plus 2, which equals 9. Now applying this correctly to our problem 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. We start by checking for parentheses. If we treat the second 6 minus 4 as a grouped expression, we evaluate that first, which gives us 2. So now the expression becomes 6 minus 4 times 2. Next, we handle multiplication before subtraction. So 4 times 2 equals 8. And now we have 6 minus 8, which equals negative 2. So the correct final answer is negative 2, not 4. And that is why following PEMDAS step by step is very important to avoid mistakes. If you enjoyed this and want more quick math challenges like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.